So for this design, I am going to show you an even simplified version, and this now can go alongside the other sort of advanced zebra print now that I did in my previous video. So what I've done here is applied a rose gold striping tape down the middle of the nail, and then I'm just going to pick out one side of this nail and paint a contrasting zebra print design to match the other nails. So I am using my fine liner brush, and I am using the HD Art Gel range in colour Jet, and I'm just making sure that I do my first couple of big lines first, and then you can see I'm filling in and bringing it up and round. When you're working with gel, you need to make sure that you work a little bit slower than you would do with acrylic paint, so that your brush can pull the gel through and down. Keep your lines irregular as well. You want them to go from thick to thin for a zebra print look. You can see there I've gone from thick to thin to give it more definition. And then I'm just going next to the striping tape. And then carry on down next to it, pulling the gel down, and then you can go back into thin. So here I'm just carrying on with the design. If you need to, then you can always flash cure each little section that you do that you're happy with. I often do this when I'm doing a long nail like this, so that I don't accidentally put my hand into the design and I've done that, I'm then go and smudge it. There's nothing worse than when you've done that. So yeah, these gels were designed to be cured in the Accents Hybrid lamp or the Accents Compact lamp, and they cure really well in them. You can cure these gels in another lamp if you don't have that lamp, but our recommendation is to use the lamps that they've been tested in. The cure time for these gels are 90 seconds for a full cure for tack free, and they're 2 minutes for UV. So here you can see I've got the matted top coat. This is a no wipe matte top coat. It's absolutely beautiful, and I'm just going to cover the whole design in a nice thin even coat, getting right into the little gaps where the design I've just done is, because it will be slightly raised. just to make it nice and even. You can see now it's been cured for the 60 seconds that it's come out and it's beautifully matte. And then I've placed some bling on, and I'm going to be using some of the rose gold metallic shapes. They are available off of my website, www.hazledixonnails.com, and I'm just moving that about in the middle of the nail to get it central. And then I'm going to be using some of the Swarovski metallic rose gold gems. These have a metal coating on them. They're absolutely stunning and they sparkle beautifully. So I've popped one of them into the middle of the hollow shape, and I'm just going to build my design up around it using some small gems. So I've just placed a slightly smaller size next to the larger one. And carry on building your design till you're happy with it. And then I've got my Shine It, which is a no wipe shiny top coat. And I'm going to use this to help adhere my micro beads. The micro beads that I'm using are also available from us on the website, and these are also in the colour rose gold to contrast with the design. I like to use my fine liner brush and just run it through a little bit of the Shine It top coat and then pick up my beads. I find them easier to place this way. I'm just placing them around the rose gold hollow metal piece. And then you can use a clean dry brush just to push them up into place. And when you're happy, pop that in the lamp for 60 seconds to cure. And then do the same on the other side. Then using the Shine It again with the fine liner, I am just placing a couple of micro beads to finish this design at the top and bottom into like a triangle shape above the Swarovski crystal. And again, when you're happy, pop that in the lamp to cure as well. Just remember to always clean up any excess top coat or bling on that you might have around the design. Thanks for watching and see you again soon. Bye.